Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do this lipstick tutorial. Just kindly subscribe if you haven't already. If you are part of my family, just welcome to my YouTube family. You are welcome. Just keep watching for this Juice Luminous lipstick tutorial. So we are going to do a matte as well. Bye. Let us begin. Let us start. So guys, I'm going to start with these three products. So that's what you are going to use: lip liner, lipstick, and lip gloss. So I'm just going to use the lip liner to align to my lip. I'll just slightly use it to overline, just slightly. So you can choose if you want your lips to appear bigger, then you draw just above your lip line, your natural lip line. If you want your lip liner to appear smaller, then you just apply below. Then now I'm applying the lipstick just like that. The video is self-explanatory. Just as you can see, I started by applying lip liner and I rub my lips together just to blend, and I'm applying the lipstick and I'll rub my lips together just to blend. Then I'm applying the lip liner on again because we have lost that pigmentative part. So you can just keep on doing it again and again until you achieve this matte look. So guys, isn't it this lipstick good to go out with? So if you want to continue, you can just go on and apply the lip gloss on top. So this is optional. This is optional, guys. Do not use your finger to apply direct, or do not use the lipstick container to apply direct, because it's going to rub the work that we have done below. So this is the best application. It will look luminous and juicy just applying with a back of the brush. So guys, here we have our luminous lipstick. Guys, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye.